I have always wondered whether drone performances are due to the movement of the aircraft or simply the change of the LED lights on them. After researching the materials, I found out that it actually requires a combination of both factors. So through this video, let's explore the principles behind drone performances. First, we need to create animations for the drones in the editing software, including the flight path of the aircraft, as well as the changes in the LED lights. Then, use the presentation software to run a virtual test. If the test is successful, you can start the real-world testing. The first step is to install the battery into the aircraft. If the drone serial number is incorrect, you can use the control software to renumber it. Next is setting up the dynamic GPS base station. This station is used for the main control laptop to connect with the drones. In the video, see that 0 is the control signal transmitter used to connect with the computer, while A0 to A3 are signal amplifiers used to enhance the signal. After setting up the base station, the next step is to arrange the positions of the drones. The demonstration area needs to be flat. Each drone is placed sequentially according to the animation design requirements. The distance between them is usually about 3 feet or 1 meter. The battery part of the drone should face the control signal transmitter. Then, the computer connects to the control signal transmitter, logs into the software, and can fine-tune the drones. When the computer connects to the drones, the information will be displayed immediately on the software. The drones will use LED lights to signal confirmation of a successful connection. Next is the calibration step, so that the drones know their position relative to the signal transmitter. Finally, the pre-programmed animation task is sent to the entire drone team. When the command code is fully loaded, the yellow status light will turn on. If the status light turns red, it means an error has occurred and the command code needs to be resent. Now let's look at the drone's information panel. In the top left corner is the indicator, showing the strength of the connection signal. In the middle, on the right side, is the battery indicator. When the battery is low, this indicator will turn red. The bottom left corner is the altitude indicator, showing the current height of the drone. Once the command code is loaded and activated successfully, the entire drone team will start performing. If you are the drone operator, you must always focus on the screen, rather than looking at the drones in the sky. If an unexpected incident occurs, such as sudden heavy rain or strong winds, the drone performance has 4 safety measures to protect the audience. The first is a geofence that prevents people from coming into contact with the drones. The second is a control interface that allows the operator to land each drone at any time. The third is a completely independent application. This application uses a computer and a separate frequency channel to stop the performance and land all the drones. The fourth is an operator with a remote control. This person can individually control each drone and land them. The drones will automatically land after the performance ends. Above is the operating principle of drone performances. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.